And also Manchester United elusu biem 2-0 against Newcastle United. And Old Trafford. Another day of embarrassment for the Red Devils, and it was the same because in their last 4 games, United elusu ni nyina. Unim say in this month December, in the last 6 Premier League matches, United elusu 5. This is a record that has never happened in the history of the football club. Even if we extend it plus the Tottenham EFL game now, let's say only in December, United elusu 6 matches. In fact, for the first time in the history of the Premier League, United elusu 3 consecutive home Premier League matches. A catch or sample or form, and this is the Amorim ball. We know someone up and fire, but it is not his fault. Because yes, the United problem goes beyond the coach. I am there. So I'm afraid you or G2 say United team, the expectations of the fans, on best of all because no quality and no process, and then after losing, and before the game okay, say on him so unsure away from the three back and no and the man penny for appointed and as a coach on him the way as assistant in the principal no. So the VTNs or no coach are more confused than the players. And the HSA will continue with the three back, and after that he was firm and say Ojidi. So United even here shock and son of BBS. There's no shocking BB. I.e. players, and that decisions CBC and son of new master because they are kono enkoye. And no matter people say, hey, I'm game na beko saying, and I'm so United last 3 games. Tottenham share 4, Bournemouth share 3-0, Wolverhampton share 2. And the numerator the air chance on your Newcastle but to go. Hey, on them so much United, and it came to pass. See, game on the shares, in the first 10 minutes, United conceded goal. In the first 20 minutes, United conceded 2 goals. In the first 30 minutes, in fact, they considered and it was offside. One over a deflected, but deflection is different from a back pass. And then the man is a goal at the Salah. And then even after 2 minutes of that, the Salah go on the 29th minute mark. Clear chance man goal post. In fact, 32nd minute, Man U had to make changes. I'm as Joshua ZZ. Every moment menu by at the Old Trafford. It tells you send rap with how we need in Newcastle who United problem and they saw said they would need to go at them and they will expose United team and show and no much enough for each second here. Every single game that he plays in the market value cross row because what a striker he is. I am there said they be at that regard and me putting it in and always prove it because I knew him from Sociedad days. Say he is a top finisher and he's proving in almost every game. Now Joelinton scored the first time against Manchester United, and it tells you that Newcastle were really ready, even though it was at the Old Trafford. Now time when Newcastle, how aggressive and run a game here, speed, any pace, every game United who say pass Newcastle for their go so they needed to change this. And the man on the 33rd minute, Zegzi Efrimu, in fact he was not happy into a dressing room, but Amorim so misbehavior Garnacho and Rashford. Obetuma you free team so a crowd dressing room maybe obi the chatting and man back but coach Nabeka so supporting he wasn't just down United team down when so ampa but he needed to do something also before the game Amorim wanted to make sure say and Kobenya physical presence and attack but the problem that he made and it's bringing Joshua Zexi and Rasmus Hojlund so remember attacking presence you need a creator. Obi obetuma create chance at the amount. Now what team must attackers I am present for the final third, but there was no creator. And run a three back always in here 2 robust defensive midfielders and in Eriksen and Casemiro. In front of them, there was nobody. So there was no chances creation. In the whole of the first half, United didn't even touch a ball. Our Newcastle boxing. In fact, it took them to the second half. And said, first corner kick. Abraham Newcastle even stray in the first half. It tells you, say, even though it was at Old Trafford, but Newcastle follow and another control day na Enyas and Ketua. Now, say United are stuck on 14th position, and 14th position, they are just 7 points away from the relegation zone, and it is becoming realistic. So United will be fighting for relegation either than fighting for the top 4 because what I saw in the United team was a coach about Trebak, no trying to make sure the players the better Trebak but it's like almost understanding nothing about the Trebak, and that is what Newcastle realized and exploit because players need the edge but it looks as if say a run holes and all peggy square pegs are 20 and 50. So you need to do a lot of changes, and yes, I think next up Liverpool United next game Liverpool never and that will be a disaster. Mohamed Salah Jota Gakpo form any Liverpool position and it's not very so United will need to change things. United will need to fix things because it was hugely embarrassing, quite disappointing, and none of the players was able to show. See, United truth is that players ready are no crazy. Coach be developing yes, but current squad need demands